We are going together to McCaddy Park, and we're going to take pictures. She's going to take pictures of cars, and I'm going to vlog the entire situation, and then we're going to figure out the thing after that. So we are now at Riley's house, getting her camera. And there goes my phone. Oh, that's her phone. I'm recording on my phone. So now we're going back to my house because I forgot my wallet. Aww. Yeah, love that. Well, we're here, and now we have to wait for and ever for these people to come meet us. And now we're sleeping. We're just gonna relax here for a second. So, shall we? So we have been waiting for literally 2 hours for these people to show up, and they're not here. So we're gonna take pictures of just me. They came on their motorcycles. I didn't even know they had motorcycles. I thought they were coming in their cars.
Same.
You cold there? You know, cold?
Yeah. That cat off
Supposed to be buying a new exhaust here soon.
Get it.
You're a big, huge shadow.
If you want to move that coat, you can. It don't matter.
Well, that's all good.
What, do you got a YouTube channel or something?
I'm making one.
She was like, okay.
It's 6 o'clock. It's supposed to be 46 degrees. Yeah.
Good.
Taking photos. Come on, get on the bike. It's like a regular bike. Just get on the bike.
Okay.
Charles, what happened to your watch? Why don't you just wear that for directions, man?
Riley Dorian on a motorcycle.
All the things you've done, Charles, while we're riding. You threw a smoke bomb under my bike.
Oof, it smells so bad.
You've
Ooh,
hit
I
my
don't
kill
want that
switch
flavor.
multiple times. I took my key out today and dropped it in the middle of the street.
On our way here, I took his key out of his ignition and dropped it at a red light, and it turned green on us, and we took off.
No. You do what? No. Just let it go. Let it go.
So now we are all going to McDonald's. Shit my pants. I also have to pee. And we're back. So it was pretty interesting. Obviously, we kind of thought that we were being stood up for a second, and then we weren't. It was a fun experience, and I can't wait to meet them again. A shake.